Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome to How to Guide YouTube channel where we post tutorial videos just like this. And in today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can use Facebook's quiet mode. So for those people who do not know Facebook's quiet mode, it's a new feature provided by Facebook. So if you're using Facebook too much and you want to take a break from your social media, you can turn on your quiet mode and you can, take a time off from Facebook. So if you guys do not see this feature, then make sure to update your Facebook. Your Facebook need to be up to date for this feature, alright? So yeah, after updating your Facebook, let's get right into the video. Now, let's say you have updated your Facebook. Now you want to open your Facebook. While our Facebook is opening, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And let's dive right into the video, shall we? Now, after your Facebook is opened, you want to click on this tree line. After you click on this tree line, you want to scroll down and click on setting and privacy. And on setting and privacy, you want to click on where it says your time on Facebook. As I said in the beginning, if you don't see this option, you need to update your Facebook. So click on your time on Facebook. After you click on your time on Facebook, what you want to do is it's going to show you this thing called Welcome Witchy. Now you want to swipe right once and it's going to show you get more sleep. Now when you click on schedule quiet mode, you want to click on schedule quiet mode. After you click on it, you want to turn on your quiet mode. After you turn on your quiet mode, it's going to ask you to select the time for like how long you want this quiet mode to be. You can set it for 1 day, 1 hour or some minutes. Let's say I want to set it for 5 minutes. So I'm going to be setting my quiet mode for 5 minutes. I'm going to click on apply. Now my quiet mode has been turned on for 5 minutes. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can turn on your quiet mode. It's basically done. As you guys can see, my quiet mode has already started until 9:35. So I can just go back and my Facebook is gonna be on quiet mode. If you guys found our video helpful, then do hit that like and subscribe to our channel with notification on, and I will see you guys in a bit. Until next time, bye bye and have a nice day. As you guys can see, I opened my Facebook and it's in quiet mode. Yep, that's how it works. Bye bye.